Good morning, Global Rise family. This is the Resilient Trader bringing your Sunday market pulse. Bitcoin is still trapped in a tight weekend range, holding around 124,200 after rejecting both extremes. The big question is, will this coil finally break, or do we spend more day of sideways noise? If you look at the 4-hour range between 123.5k support and 124.8k resistance, the daily chart shows compression after Thursday's move. Volume has faded nearly 40% from midweek highs, signaling indecision. EMA 10 and EMA 20 are still upward but flattening, meaning the trend's losing speed, not direction. As long as daily closes stay above EMA 20, 123k bulls remain in control. If you look at the box, you can see that EMA 10, EMA 20 with volume histogram fading. Here is where the story sits. On the 4-hour, BTC is coiling between EMA 20 and EMA 50, a textbook equilibrium zone. Notice how every candle that sits 124.4k gets rejected, while every dip to 123.5k dollar finds quick demand. Volume is thin. This is a coil pattern. The longer it tightens, the stronger the breakout energy. What's our observation here? Size 6, 42 is between 42 and 45, neutral, slightly bearish, while volume is average, waiting for confirmation. EMA 200 trend bias still bullish short term. The wise play today: don't predict, just prepare. On the 1-hour, momentum is cooling. Candles showed lower highs, no drive from buyers. Look for volume expansion and an engulfing close above 124,800 for bullish continuation, or a clean 1-hour close below 123.5k for bearish momentum. Breakout, trigger up or down. That's what we are looking for. Remember, patience pays more than prediction. Right now, BTC is whispering consolidation, not breakout. So let the volume speak first, then follow the structure and make sure you do not trade with emotion. Patience pays more than prediction. That is true. This is Global Rise Network. I am the Resilient Trader.